Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm about to show you how to use Tabby for flight booking. So make sure to watch until the end because I will show you which store actually accepts Tabby. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, just open your Tabby app and go to your search bar and type flight or just travel. Here you will see the store that actually accept Tabby for flight bookings. For example, you will find alternative airlines. This site lets you book flight worldwide and pay later with Tabby. And there might be other stores too depending on your region. So once you're on their page, just tap visit online store, pick your flight, and at the checkout, just select Tabby as your payment option. So that's it, easy, flexible, and it will split into 4 payments. So yeah, that's how you use Tabby for flight bookings. Just search inside the app and look for a store like alternative airlines. Thanks for watching and I hope this video helped you out.